Ah, there it is. The wonderful, amazing grilled cheese sandwich. The grilled cheese sandwich is easily one of my favorite things to eat. And today we're not making a regular grilled cheese. We're making London's Borough Market's Kappacasein Cheese Toastie. Kappacasein uses English Cheddar, Comte, which is a French Gruyere, and an Ogleshield raclette. But I couldn't get my hands on that, so we're just gonna go with the Gruyere and the aged cheddar cheese. All right, I have 8 ounces of both the Gruyere and the aged cheddar. So I'm gonna start grating with the white aged cheddar onto the Gruyere. The daunting task of grating cheese is over. All right, now we're just gonna transfer the cheddar and the Gruyere to the bowl and give it a little mix. Now we're gonna prep the key ingredient to this wonderful grilled cheese sandwich, which is 5 types of fresh onion. All right, we're gonna start with half a small leek, and we're gonna mince this up. Okay, and then I have 2 small stalks of green onion. I'm gonna give that a fine little slice. And I got a small bunch of chives from my little herb garden. I'm gonna give those a nice little fine dice. Next, I have a half red onion. I'm gonna give it a nice mince. Start taking some of that off like that. And then finally, I have a clove of garlic. And I just go down lengthwise. All right. I'm gonna bring all the onion into one pile and just give it one more once over so everything gets nice and blended. Okay, I'm gonna grab about half, sprinkle it in there with the cheese, stir it around, add a little bit more, about all of it, and there we go, mixing that up. Oh boy. Kappacasein uses a plain sourdough, but here in California, I'm gonna use a nice loaf of San Francisco style sourdough. All right, I have 2 slices. I'm gonna flip over the top one. We're gonna butter each side with room temperature butter, and don't be shy with the butter. Make sure you get the butter all the way to the edges as best you can. Now we flip it back over, butter side to butter side. Let's pile on the cheese mix. And if you've ever seen these sandwiches, they don't skimp on the cheese one bit. And I'm not going to either. All right, I have my griddle preheated on medium-low, because you don't want it too hot, because you don't want your bread to burn before your cheese melts. And I just set it on there and kind of swirl it around. I made sandwich number 2. Okay, then we're gonna top it with the other slice. All right, it's been about 5 minutes on this side, so now we're gonna flip them over. I checked them. We're getting that nice golden brown. Oh my goodness. Look at these wonderful sandwiches. Just listen to that sizzle. Oh. Starting to melt. All right, they're ready. So I'm just gonna pull them off, set them on my cutting board, turn off my grill, and we're gonna eat right into that sandwich. Oh yeah. All right, my favorite part of the video, taking a bite. And before we take a bite, we have to get shots of the food. So I've been staring at this for like 5 minutes, dying to take a bite. So here we go. Oh, wow. The crunch of the bread, the flavors of the cheese, the little onion crunch. This recipe is outstanding. Please give this a try and let me know what you think. And as always, Hit that notification bell so we can notify you when we make a video. Like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for tuning in.